You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of an Egyptian god, the god of gods. If you want to learn more names from Egyptian mythology, stay tuned. The English pronunciation is either Amon-Ra, or some may say it also as Amon-Ra. Now, the original, more ancient pronunciation, Amon-Ra. So if you hear Amon-Ra, that's not incorrect. That's also correct. So Amon-Ra, Amon-Ra, or Amon-Ra. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.